today's class, I am going to tell and express about some vital things. And this video will not be long, but let me tell you, if you have clicked this video, so I will say to you, you must watch this video, because after watching this video you will learn something, and today's class will be so significant and authentic. So without wasting time, let's move on. In fact, in today's class, I will teach and I will tell how to improve our English soon. And whatever I will teach in this class, if you follow those all the rules and regulations, then trust me, nobody will stop you from speaking English fluently and confidently. Let's move on. How to improve English soon. How to improve English soon. Except this, to be honest, it is said that in this world everything is possible. You can do anything in your life, but someone has rightly said, to achieve something in our life we will have to lose something. Without doing hard work, you can't achieve anything. Even you can't take your meal. I mean, you can't eat your food if you don't move from one place to another place. So for achieving anything, you will have to do something different. But we are going to talk about English. It is said that English is an international language which is spoken in this world widely. But let me tell you, to be honest, in this new era, in this modern time, English is happening so popular and vital language. Without this, our life is half. We can't survive our life without this. So this language happens so crucial and vital. So you must learn this language. But in today's class, I will tell about those all points which are so required and vital to learn English. Let's move on. Actually, let me tell you, I have created some rules and regulations myself, and you must observe and you must apply these all rules and regulations in your life. First of all, let me make it a small. R and W. You will think, what is this? But let me tell you. L means listening, and S means speaking, and next R means reading, and W means writing. Let me tell you guys, first of all, you will have to do L. I mean listening. You will have to listen English, and after that, after listening English, gradually you will start speaking English. L means listening, S means speaking, R means reading, W means writing. So in today's time, or in this modern time, we see different types of human beings who speak English fluently and confidently. They affect someone by their language, and it's simple. So in my opinion and according to me, you must follow first of all this one, and after that this one, and this one, and this one. I mean, सबसे पहले आपको अपने जीवन में ये काम करना होगा. You know about this. Everyone knows about this. When we were born and when we came in this world, so at the time we did not started speaking English or started speaking any kind of language. After coming in this world, first of all we started listening. मेरा तात्पर्य ये है कि इस दुनिया में आने के बाद हम में से हर कोई, इस दुनिया में जितने भी मनुष्य हैं, सब ने पहले सुनने का काम किया. 3 years 2 years जब हम पैदा हुए थे तो सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या किए थे? सुनने का काम किए थे. 3 वर्ष 2 वर्ष तक पहले सुने. अब हम जब हमारा जन्म हुआ था तो किसी का जन्म अमेरिका में हुआ, किसी का जन्म फ्रांस में हुआ, किसी का जन्म इंडिया में हुआ, किसी का जन्म साउथ अमेरिका में हुआ. तो you don't know about this. In which country will come? Nobody knows about this. तो सबसे पहले आपको सुनना होगा. सुनने के बाद ही हम कोई भी लैंग्वेज बोल पाते हैं. So listening is so vital thing. Sorry. जब हम सुनते हैं, when we listen English consistently till 2 years, till 1 year, I mean not only English, any kind of language, when we listen any language till 3 months, 4 months, so automatically after a point of time we start speaking English. तो सबसे पहले आपको सुनना होगा English, and after that automatically you will start speaking. And after that जब आप सुनेंगे, बोलेंगे, and after that gradually you will start reading. उसके बाद आपको पढ़ने की हैबिट को क्रिएट करना है. एंड देन जब आप पढ़ना शुरू कर देंगे, उसके बाद लिखना भी आप प्रारंभ कर देंगे. सो इन माई ओपिनियन, इफ यू फॉलो these all rules, if you adopt these 4 things in your life, then trust me, nobody will stop you from speaking English fluently and confidently. So except this, I have created one more method which is so vital and significant. And what is this? Now let me tell you one more thing. इसके अलावा एक और मैंने मेथड को क्रिएट किया है जो बहुत वाइटल है. SMP. SMP मतलब सेंटेंस मेकिंग process. Trust me guys, if your sentence making process is so strong, then trust me, you will start speaking English soon. अगर आपका सेंटेंस मेकिंग प्रोसेस स्ट्रॉन्ग है तो आप बहुत जल्दी अंग्रेजी बोलना शुरू कर देंगे. क्योंकि we see different types of things in our life every day. आप कोई भी चीज़ देखते हैं अपनी आँखों से, तो आप उसको देखने के बाद अगर आप उसके बारे में बोल पाते हैं, अगर उसके बारे में आप एक्सप्रेस कर पाते हैं अपने ओपिनियन को, अपनी बातों को, अपनी भावनाओं को, तो उसी को हम बोलते हैं सेंटेंस मेकिंग प्रोसेस. कोई भी चीज़ आपने देखा और उसके बारे में आपने 2 मिनट 3 मिनट 4 मिनट बताने की आपके पास औकात है, काबिलियत है, तो आपका सेंटेंस मेकिंग प्रोसेस स्ट्रॉन्ग है. अगर आपका SMP स्ट्रॉन्ग है तो आप बहुत जल्दी अंग्रेजी सीखेंगे. सो I will not take time too much. Whatever I have taught you, you must follow these all rules and regulations in your life. आपको ये काम करने होंगे every day. If you think like that, if I just read and write English, but you don't listen English, then trust me, you can never ever speak English at all. So listening is very important. You will have to listen English every day. Come what may, somehow by removing time you will have to listen. And after going on social media and when you will search Google or YouTube, so you will get different types of videos on YouTube. So you can utilize, you can use YouTube and listening English. It's very simple. And first of all, initially you will have to start listening English simple, which should be understandable. So आपको अपने जीवन में इन 4 चीज़ों को पालन करना होगा, SMP को स्ट्रॉन्ग करना होगा, और इसके अलावा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आपको प्रयास करना है कि हम सुन सके, क्योंकि द मोर यू लिसन द मोर यू अंडरस्टैंड, द मोर यू प्रैक्टिस द मोर यू बूस्ट एंड इन्हांस योर इंग्लिश. सो आप जितना ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, आप जितना ज़्यादा सुनेंगे, उतनी ही ज़्यादा आपकी अंग्रेजी स्ट्रॉन्ग होगी, आप चीज़ों को सीख पाएंगे. सो I hope you all have understood regarding these all things, and thank you so much for watching this video carefully, and see you in next video. Thank you very much.